What up? What it is, hypes? You're watching what it is, and here it is. The Switch. We got Switch. We got Bomberman. There it is. Bomberman. We got Zelda, which you may have recognized from the taste test. Got an extra set of Joy-Cons. So here we go. I have to put the sticker right on the box. Come on. Oh, it's nice. It peels right off. Plug it in. Set it up. Need help? Blah, blah, blah. Oh, so light. Oh my god. I need a case for this bad boy.
HDMI cable. You don't need that.
I'll tell me to plug it in first. Cable. Let's see, it's not super long. Like 5 feet. Plug this motherfucker in. It's USB-C. Some new cell phones are USB-C. Plugged in. See what happens. Lights up. Battery little thing. Shut up. Nintendo Switch. Oh, once we put the Joy-Cons in, here's the Joy-Con grip. They don't give you the charger grip, which I think is a little weird. Okay, so you need to plug them in, slide them on. I've done this before at the Nintendo John in New York. There's one in, there's the second one. Oh, that sound. English, let's do it, baby. Region, the Americas. Accept that agreement. I didn't even read it. I'm accepting it. Searching for networks. I'll just connect later. Hit the buttons, makes a little sound. Time region. New York, Toronto. Today, 3/3/17. Would you like to connect the TV to play on a larger screen? Hell yeah, I would. Detach Joy-Cons from the console. Do not press any additional buttons while detaching. You will need the following. Switch dock, HDMI cable. Here's the dock. Badoosh. So yeah. So this slides off the back. I didn't know it's up on the back. AC adapter. Drop my PlayStation controller. We don't even need that now, Mile. Image should appear on the TV a moment after docking the console. Ah, there it goes. Success. Oh man, I'm gonna pick Star Fox. With my traditional name. Jose Cortez. Skip parental control setup is complete. Press the home button to open home menu. Alright, should I put in Zelda? Is Brennan home? Brennan! You wanna play Bomberman? Well, Brennan wants to play Bomberman, so we're not gonna put in Zelda yet. Got Bomberman, and I think this is pretty much the end of the video because now we're gonna play. See ya.